First of all, we should know that anger rises from dissatisfaction. And dissatisfaction is to be understood. When we desire something and it doesn't work, then anger will arise. So the desire is born out of mode of passion. And mode of passion, when not satisfied, will turn into wrath. Kamat krodho vijayate. So when you have to control the krodh, the anger, then don't take support from mode of passion. Rather, turn to the mode of goodness. Mode of goodness will be nurtured by enthusiasm, determination, and tolerance. Then you associate all these three faculties in every aspect of your service, work, whatever you do. Avoid the company that simply gratifies your mode of passion. And ignorance, don't associate at all. Then follow in the preceptorial chain of disciplic succession. Means where the same targeted objective, Lord Krishna, will be made easily available. So it's a stern discipline. You have to cultivate your mind not to trust mode of passion and ignorance, but act in such a way like in mode of goodness. By all these factors you can control your anger.